In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate images straight from ChatGPT. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your ChatGPT, and once you are here, don't go ahead and type your prompt here. Rather, go ahead and open the sidebar, and then you'll see an option called Explore GPTs. Tap on it to open. Now, this will open powerful tools that you can use to generate or to do various activities. For instance, we have image generator, which is here. And if we tap on it and open it, we can see this is a powerful tool that can help us to generate images. Now we'll go ahead and tap on start. And I'll take just one example of images that you can generate. For instance, I can say, I'll select this as a prompt and tap on it, or paste your prompt that you want to generate the image from. And as you can see, the tool will go ahead and start generating the image. So here's my prompt to generate an image of futuristic city. And now this is being generated straight from ChatGPT. Now let's see what it has generated. And now look at that. That is an image that has just been generated straight from ChatGPT. So if you want to download this image, you can go ahead and tap on download button, which is this. Or if you expand the image, you can still find the download option, which is this. And you'll be able to download this image straight to your computer. So go ahead and generate as many images as you want using this function or using the image generator. Should you want to generate another image, you can see the image generator is still here, or you can still go ahead and tap on explore. And this time around, pick another tool from the ones that are available here. You can also tap on this to see more. And according to the task that you wish, and look, we can try out this other image generator tool just straight in ChatGPT Image Generator Pro. And if I tap on it and then tap on Start Chat, we can go ahead and paste our prompt here and just confirm that I want to generate an image and then tap on Generate. Now this tool will go straight away and generate an image, and let's see what it will generate this time around. And as you can see, an image is being generated. And here we go. Our image has been generated straight from ChatGPT without having to leave this tool. So go ahead and download and you're good to go. So that's how you generate images straight from ChatGPT using these tools. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, go ahead and try out ChatGPT, explore it, and generate as many images as you can. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.